Now, mobile advertising is the fastest growing platform in the world right now, and companies who are positioned correctly may be able to make a lot of money out of it, and making their investors, of course, in the process, a lot of money as well. And that is that is today's subject in Mia's Global Outlook today.
Well, more and more people are foregoing their PC for their smartphone, and advertisers, well, of course, they're taking notice. Mobile is the fastest growing ad category, though it only made up about 1.7% of the almost $500 billion industry back in 2012, and global ad spending and about sales is about 9.5% of digital ads. Global mobile advertising, well, that may rise some 62% this year to almost $13.6 billion. That's the estimate right there. Last year it was $8.4 billion. The year before it was half of that. I call it around 4.2. Worldwide advertising, though, is expected to surpass $20 billion next year and hit 36 year in 2016. Now, as mobile consumption surges, the platform is expected to increase its share to 21% of online advertising and 5% of global advertising. This is by 2015.